In this video, I'll show you how to animate sleek, moving glass bars inside DaVinci Resolve using Fusion. Let's get started. First, select your clip in the timeline and open the Fusion page. Inside Fusion, press Shift and Space. Then search for a transform node and add it to your flow. Do the same again to add a rectangle node. Connect the rectangle to the transform. With the rectangle node selected, open the inspector and set the width to 1, the height to 0.3, and the angle to 65 degrees. This creates the base shape for the glass bar. Next, move your playhead to the frame where you want the animation to begin. In the rectangle's center control, click the diamond icon to add a keyframe. Then, drag the shape upward and slightly to the left until it moves off screen. Now, move the playhead forward a few seconds. Drag the rectangle down and to the right until it fully exits the opposite side of the screen. This creates a smooth diagonal motion across the frame. Select the transform node and increase the size to about 1.3 to give the bar a bit more presence as it moves. Once that first animation is done, select both the rectangle and transform nodes, then copy and paste them. Connect the first transform output to the second transform input. Then, connect the second transform to the media out node. You can repeat this same process several times, chaining additional transform nodes together to create multiple bars moving across the screen at slightly different speeds or directions. This layered setup adds depth and energy to your motion design. And that's it. That's how to animate glass bars in DaVinci Resolve.